Hello everyone and welcome to the lounge. As you can tell, I got me a new do. It has been a while since I had a new one, 2.5 months to be exact, since I installed my last one. So I'm very excited about this hair. In the video, I'm going to show you all about it. I'll give you the instructions and everything that goes along with installing this hair. But thus far, I have to say this is day one. It's just been installed, and I like the hair, but it's so thin and so fine that I feel like these things is gonna slip out, and I'm not gonna be too happy with that. But overall, as you all probably know, I like to wear my hair straight, and so this is the first time I'm dabbling in curls in several years. And the only reason I got this was because I wanted to try this hair because it looks so pretty and so nice in the box or in the bag. I really wanted to try it, but I really wanted a longer look, but this was a 20-inch, which made it come all the way down to my buttocks, and I don't like that. And so I had to cut it in half in order to install it, and so here we are. It's nice. I probably won't keep it in for 2.5 months, but we'll see how it goes. So far, it's okay. I'm getting ready to go to an event, and so I wanted to just make this little intro before I left. So thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the putting together of this do in that video. So thanks for coming by, watching, sharing, and I really do appreciate everyone. Thank you all to all the new subscribers, and I will see you in the inside of the video. Thank you. So here is the hair that I will be using to install. I've never worked with this hair before. Kima Braid Ocean Weave. It's 20 inches. And all of my years of crocheting, I've never worked with this hair. So this is exciting for me. It's very pretty, and it's pretty and it's long. It's 20 inches. I don't like wearing hair that long. The longest I will go is like a 16. But when I saw this hair, I was like, oh my God, I want to try it even though it's this long. God only knows where it's going to end up. Oh my God, it's gonna be long. I will probably end up cutting it at some point, but it's gonna be so long. Shoot. And I don't want to cut it in half now, because when I do that, it's gonna end up just about here, more of a bob, and I can cut it later on after, I've had it long for a while. But and I like that it looks like it's individuals, so that should make it easier to move with. So let us start the process. All right. And this color is a 1. I like black hair, and I did dye my hair again with indigo and lemon juice. And my braid pattern, this is my normal braid pattern. I did this in detail last install, so all it is going all the way back and then twist to the end. Very easy. I have 3 packs of these, 3 packs of the hair. And looks like I'm gonna be splitting this Now I don't want it to be big either, so I may end up only working with 2 packs and making these a little bit smaller. It's really pretty. So let's do our first. See how it go. Oh, let's put this up. Just gonna take my needle and I'm gonna move it on up in here. Work it through. And that's it. And oh my God, this hair is gonna be so long. All right, we're gonna start in the back. Whoo, baby, this is gonna be beastly. Huh. Right at the crack of my crack. Yeah, this is gonna be too long. It's gonna be too long for me, man. I'm gonna go for it. If anything, I'll just cut it. All right. Oh God, this is really gonna be long. I'm not gonna be happy with it. I'm not gonna be happy with it because it's too hot. I'm in Florida, y'all. It's hot. It's hot. Oh. Should I or shouldn't I? Should I or shouldn't I? So, after installing about 4 or 5 braids, I decided that the 20 inch is just going to be way too long for me. I just don't like it that long. So I decided to just cut it in half instead. So it's going to be a no going back. So I'm going to maybe do 1 or 2 of these on the camera, and then I'm gonna go to my setup and continue the work. And so, okay. Then I'm going 1, 2, 3 times. Because this hair is really slippery and silky. So you want to make sure that I'm actually going to split this again. So between the splitting of all of this, I'm pretty sure that I'm only going to use 2 packs or 1.5 packs. I really wish I'd found it in like a 16-inch. That would have been better. Then I would have had the look that I was really going for. But this will work out just fine. I am on hour 3 and bundle number 3 we're going to start. So it's looking very nice thus far. So this whole side is that one bundle. So it's very thick. And the back is one bundle too. So one more bundle. So I am almost there. Almost there. So I am finally done. It's been a long process. This took me a lot longer than I like. I normally can get my hair done in about 3 hours, 3.5 max. Well, this was double time because I ended up splitting and making them so much smaller because this hair is so thin. So hopefully it'll stay in place moving forward. But I haven't done anything to it thus far. All I've done is installed it, and I don't have to cut anything because I split everything, and I don't have to really do anything with the ends. But I'm telling you, it does shed. Yeah, that's happening. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna clean myself up and then come back and put some mousse in it and things like that. Okay, so that's it for now. This is what I have left over. So it took me, I used about half of this bundle. Half. So I used 1 pack, 1 full 1.5. And it's full and it's thick, and I've packed it in. So it's really packed in the front. The sides, they're really small and really packed in. Okay, there it is, my new dude. Last of the Mohicans. Edge control. think we're in business. Don't know how long I'm gonna keep this in for. I got a feeling it might get raggedy, sooner rather than later. But this is it. Turned out pretty. Turned out, oh, they're already coming out. Yeah, not gonna stay too long. Okay. That's gonna be it, friends.